affordable housing. Now my definition of affordable housing is very different than what ICICI said. 15 lakhs ka loan chahiye to affordable hai. Well, sorry, you know, a big chunk of our population that is in-migrating and making cities like Surat bigger don't even have that. Okay, so what does affordable mean in a normal sense? I mean, you all have staff, right? आप लोग कितना सैलरी देते हो? 20,000 दोगे, 10,000, ठीक है, 25 दे दोगे, 30 दे दोगे, तो उसमें थोड़ी वो 30 लाख का घर खरीद पाएगा, जिस पे ICICI लोन देगा. और without that staff, industries cannot survive, and that's why you have so many people coming every day in the train in the morning and going back, spending 5 hours of their every single day in transit, because they can't find a place to live here, at least a decent place. I mean, they are educated, so झुग्गी में तो नहीं रहेंगे. They need something. So what do? We create a product around it. So this is a workforce. When I say affordable, it is workforce. This is basically for people who actually work, make a living. They are active. Doesn't matter what their age is. Doesn't matter whether they have children or not. They just work and make a decent living. So they, in today's time and market, I think 10 lakhs per unit is pretty decent for somebody like that. You know, their EMIs won't support if you go beyond that. And if the same thing is given to them on rent, then probably 3,000 would be what they would rent at. Now in Surat, find me an apartment for 3,000 where somebody can live with maybe a wife and 2 children. Is there any space? Very, very difficult to find. So why would anyone do it? Because you can't build for 3,000 as a rent. At the same time, if you build and sell at 10 lakhs, you definitely can't do it in the city. You know the land prices here. So what do? You go away. But you do something that decreases the pain of commute. And to decrease the pain of commute, you put it in a place where there is transit, where there is public transit. So we know already BRTS is coming up. We know metros are coming. I mean, the metro railway is coming. The railway stations are coming. Industry and commerce need manpower. And if they have decent accommodation with less commute time, then productivity increases, attrition decreases, success of the industry and commerce directly enhances real estate demand, because the same people will make more money and ultimately it will go back into the industry, you know, things like that.